Good morning, good morning, good morning. How the devil. Right, I've just noticed on my my bike, turn the ignition on, it comes up with a little service and spanner warning. But I think it's probably done the best part of 1,000 miles since it was serviced this time last year. What are your thoughts on getting the bike serviced again with low mileage? How valuable and how important is that stamp in the book for you? Is it religious that you have it done every year, or do you just sort of play it by ear and wait until you think it needs it? I don't know. I don't know how, and to be honest, how much the value is affected on bikes by missing a service. You know, there's so much now that can be put down to the situation that the country's been in for so long and the lockdown that we've had. Surely if you sold it, people would understand if there's only 1,000 miles on a bike between the last service and now, even though it was due an annual service at the time. I don't know. I don't know. What are your thoughts? What I do know is it's dry and I've finished work and it's still relatively light, and that is pretty good in my book. I'm not going to do a long one tonight. It'd be a nice short one, I think. Just get a couple of miles under the belt. And get myself off home. For I think a roast dinner. Oh, a roast dinner. How lovely. So the bike's up with a little bit of a problem. I think I mentioned it on a previous video with that switch for the indicator, but it does start to loosen up a little bit the more I use it. So I think I just need to use the bike more. I think that's the important thing now, is just to use the bike more. Yeah, that's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. Right, I'm going to stack it here. Just a short one. I'll leave you guys be, and I will very much catch you on the flip side. Take care, everyone.